Alright, first impressions of the Fitbit after 1 day of use. It's good. It does everything you need to do fitness tracking wise, and compared to my Apple Watch, it's not as smart, but it has some notification management, it has some basic smartwatch functionality, and in general it feels good in the hand. It's made of plastic, but the charging is proprietary, which I don't like. However, the Apple Watch is proprietary, so I can't complain in that aspect. And with that, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the full review, and I'll catch you next time.